Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can add text in Canva mobile. So let's go to Canva. Okay, let's open a new project. To open a new project, tap on this plus button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, select a template. Okay, for now let's go with Instagram story. Okay, choose a design. Let's choose a design without any text. Okay, so we got a template. To add text, what you have to do, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see this plus button. Tap there. Okay, now on the bottom slide right and you will see text. Tap there. Okay, here you can use this existing design, or you can select heading, subtitle or body, whatever you want, or you can add a text box. Okay, likewise write whatever you want. To increase the font size, on the bottom tap on font size and increase the size. Likewise you can change font style. Font color. So that's it guys. Likewise you can add text in Canva mobile. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.